That's are not naming of any body's also any girl's name. That's an
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is the second part of this video, and this video is about the differential equation of constant term in linear equations. So now start it, and the first part of this video is already posted. So now this is the second part of this video. So now this is the differential equation and linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So now take the first question is solve the equation d square y by dx2 minus 5dy by dx plus 6y equals to 0 and find the particular solution if y equals to 3. That's when also when x equals to 0. So if y equals to 3 when x equals to 0, and the second condition is y equals to 8 the when x equals to log 2. It's very important and interesting, guys. So now this is the given equation. Please watch the first part of this video, link on the description and the I button also, and the last in sharing. Now the given equation is, that's the equation, so d2y by dx2 minus 5dy by dx plus 6y equals to 0. So now first of all this y, three part is y, has y also. So now let y equals to e to the power mx, therefore we can write it dy by dx equals to m times of e to the power mx, and d2y by dx2 that's equals to m square times of e to the power mx. That's it. So therefore now we can write the given equation is, so what's, so now d2 minus 5d plus 6y, this y, therefore the whole of y equals to 0. So now first of all I also say you that please watch the first part of this video, link on the description and I button and the last is screen sharing. So there I extremely explained why this coming about that. So now AE, that's mean auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equals to 0, therefore m equals to 2 and 3. So CF equals to y as well pi equals to 0. So c1 e to the power 3x plus c2 e to the power 3x, sorry, c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power 3x when c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. So therefore first of all I say you that the c1 and c2, you can write the c1 their part of a and c2 their part of b, and also you can write it. So now given that x equals to 0 when y equals to 3, that's it. So x equal to 0, so here e to the power 3x and e to the power 2x, that's coming the 0. So c1 plus c2 as e to the power 0x equals to 1, that's the effect of this function. So therefore this coming the 3, and also given that this and this, so y equals to 8 when x equals to log 2, therefore I write here x equals to log 2 comma y equals to 8. So now therefore it's coming y equals to 3 and y equals to 8 here. So 8 equals to this, so log 2 x equals to, so therefore c1 e to the power 2 log 2 plus c2 and this x, so c2 e to the power 3 log 2, that's it. And this is the second equation. So now 8 equals to c1 e to the power log of 2 to the power 2 equals to 4, so c1 e to the power log 4, and therefore c2 log That's so 2 to the power 3 equals to 8, so log 8 that's coming as. Also b equals to log a log b equals to log of b by b to the power a, therefore it's coming. And now 8 equals to 4 times of c1 plus 8 times of c2 as e to the power log x equals to x, that's it. So now that's coming the 3. So 1 and 3 continuity function of this, and this also 8. So c1 equals to and c2 equals to how much? 4 and minus 1, you also calculate that. So therefore y equals to this 4, so 4 times of e to the power 2 x and this, so plus of, sorry that's not plus, that's became minus 1 times of e to the power 3x, and which is the answer of the required. So therefore ps equals to that as well. Particular solution is this of the this question. So now first of all, it's very interesting and easy question if you watch the first part, so please watch that. And now the second question is solution. So solve d2x by dt2 plus 4t equals to 0, satisfying that x equals to 4 and dx by dt equals to 3 as well when t equals to 0. So first of all I say you that the given equation is this. So right here solution, the given equation is d2x by dt2 plus 4t equals to 0. Now first of all let t equals to sorry here not t, so I think this question is wrong, that's become x, sorry, and it's also x. So x equals to e to the power mt, and this t is becoming this t, and dx by dt equals to m times of e to the power mt, and d2x by dt2 equals to m square e to the power minus mt, that's it. So that the auxiliary, I also write here the auxiliary equation is, the auxiliary equation is become to the m square minus 4 equals to 0. So m square equals to 4, so m equals to plus minus 2, that's it. So therefore it's in this, sorry that's not coming, that's coming to I as well, m square plus 4, therefore this plus plus and plus, it's becoming the minus, and also plus minus 2i. So therefore it's the auxiliary equation, therefore we also write here the ae and cf, that's main complementary function. So y equals to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x, and when where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. Here also you can watch that the x becomes t and y becomes x, and also watch the first video therefore, and it's also pi, that's mean the question, you can watch the question. So d2x by dt2 plus 4x equals to 0, so left hand side has a question and right hand side is 0, therefore it's coming cf equals to y, and here is the x. So that's the given equation is x equals to 4, dx by dt equals to 3, and t equals to also 0. So therefore it's coming 2c1 cos 2t mine plus 2 times of c2 of cos 2t, that's it, dx by dt, that's mean this. Now x equals to 4 and t equals to 0, therefore we also write here of this question, that's it. The 4 equals to t equals to 0, also this 0 and this 0. So we know also the cos 0 equals to how much and sin 0 equals to how much. So sorry, sin 0 equals to 0 and also cos 0 equals to 1, therefore we also write it. So c1 also, and this function, so therefore, and also this t and t, so therefore it's coming 0 and it's coming 1. So right here this 3 equals to also the 2c2, while is the minus form. So c1 equals to 4 and c2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Therefore it's coming now the equation becomes x equals to, so c1 not, so x equals to 4 times of c2t plus, sorry, minus 3 by 2 sin 2t. Also watch on your home on a paper as it's become wrong. Now new topic and new concept of this, the differential equation. You can say the second part of this equation. Here pi not equals to 0, I also clear on that. I also say that the I want to clear the some concept as well, what is ae, pi, cf and also gs. So therefore that's are not naming of any bodies, also any girl's name, that's are not any girl's name. So watch it please. So therefore ae equals to auxiliary equation, that's I also write the short form, and also some teachers also so many teachers are write it the short form. So cf equals to complementary function and pi equals to particular integral. As well the particular integral mean the integral form working as the particular form, so not general solution, you also know that. So gs the equals to general solution, and particular integral is the important things in here. So now I take example of this. So d times of e to the power ax equals to a times of e to the power ax, and d2 e to the power ax equals to a square times of e to the power ax. That's it. So now example 1 is the question of about that. So d square plus 4y equals to e to the power 3x. Therefore a equals to coming m square plus 4 equals to 0. So m equals to plus minus 4. That's it. Sorry, 2i, sorry, plus minus 2 iota. There's some mistakes also. cf equals to also coming, therefore c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. That's it. So therefore pi equals to coming also. So now first of all the pi mean particular integral is the 1 by d square plus 4 equal into e to the power 3x. Therefore this working on this condition. Also here some condition are things in other form. So now d square is d square, therefore it's working this method. So 1 by 3 square by plus 4 of e to the power 3x. So the 3 square mean 9 plus 4 equals to 130 13, sorry. So 1 by 3. So pi equals to, I also write here another color of pen. So 1 by 13 e to the power 3x, and also gs equals to this. So general solution is become y equals to cf plus pi. That's the important things. gs equals to cf plus pi, and that's working. As well the first part has pi equals to 0, and here also I write on the upper part. So pi not equals to 0 also. So suppose take, so 1 by d minus 3 of e to the power 3x equals to 1 by, that's equals to also 1 by 3 minus 3 of e to the power 3x, and it's coming 1 by 0, but now it's undefined as well 1 by 0. So it's the wrong method. So every time is not the same, therefore I also write the particular things. So I, you know, also the understand that the what is the particular integral, that's mean why the particular is coming on, that's the name. So now that's coming 1 by d plus 3 times of minus 3, that's coming the plus and minus cancel out. So e to the power 3x times of 1 by d times of 1, that's equals to e to the power 3x by 1 by d and 1, that's coming. So now 1 by d equals to also d inverse, as the d means differentiation as well, this the name of this chapter. So 1 by d equals to also integral, and here also particular integral mean pi means particular integral, that's it. So particular integral, that's not easy name, okay. So now 1 it's mean x coming, So it's the answer. Now this particular integrals mean here another, so now other things and here other things, therefore its name is the particular integral. That's the particular name. So therefore 1 by d square minus 9 of e to the power 3x equals to 1 by, so now a square minus b square equals to, we know also, a plus b times of a minus b, that's mean d plus 3 times of d minus 3 of e to the power 3x. So now also you remember this, that a square plus b square means a plus iota b times of a minus iota b, that's it. It's not coming here, but remember this formula. So now 1 by d plus 3 of e to the power 3x, that's mean 1 by 3 plus 3, that's of e to the power 3x also, so 1 by 6 of e to the power 3x, and it's the answer. But 1 by d minus 3 of e to the power 3x, that's mean 3 minus 3, that's mean 1 by 0, and that's not working condition here. So now watch that, that's equals to 3 plus 3 times of d plus 3 minus 3, that's mean e to the power 3x. So putting one time d equals to 3 as well here, given that e to the power 3x, and also d equals to, in the d putting that the d plus 3 as well e to the power 3x. If e to the power minus 6, therefore putting that there, that the d minus 3 on, sorry, in the putting d. So now this is the particular integral and this is the particular integral, that's it, and that's the answer. Please watch that. And it's the second part here, the part of 3. I also consider the bigger things of this and also coming that. So now the concept again, 1 minus x inverse equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4 plus dot 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 infinity. So now 1 by 1 minus x, it's coming here, and now 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1, that's mean 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 5 plus dot 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 infinity. So I can write it the 1 by 1 plus x, and now 1 by 1 plus x whole square, that's mean 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2, that's mean 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube, and this 1 and this 2 and this 3 is so much more important. As well the first and third is differentiation only, that's it. As when now example as well, pi equals to, also I here you remember that the particular integral. So now 1 by d square plus 4 of x square, here the linear equation is x square, not here the e and sin and cos. So now 4 common, therefore 1 plus d square by 4 of x square, therefore 1 by 4 times of 1 plus d square by 4 inverse of x square, that's means it's coming 1 plus x inverse. I also say on the first, so this the remember form of this series. So now that's equals to 1 by 4 times of 1 minus d square by 4 plus d square by 4 whole square, sorry, whole square minus dot 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 of x square. So the equal answer is 1 by 4 times of x square minus, so now x square of d 1, that's mean 2x, and also d, so 2 by 4 plus, that's mean also 4 square of solo, and the numerator is d square of d square whole of square, that's mean d to the power 4. Now x square derivative is 2x, and 2x derivative is 2, 2 derivative is 0, and 0 derivative is 0, so therefore 0 by 1 6, that's mean it's coming 1 by 4 times of x square minus 2 1 by 2, that's it. So it's the answer. Now guys, watching the second question is, that's the example is pi equals to, that's mean particular integral is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 of x cube, that's mean it's coming also here. Also the another form is also another method I also say, but please working on your home. So now 4 common, therefore 1 plus d square minus 4d by 4 of times of d of x square. So now 1 by 4 times of 1 plus d square minus 4d by 4 whole of inverse of x square. That's mean this series coming. I also say in the past. So now there's so x square coming and this watching that guys. Please guys watch the first part of this video. And also subscribe and like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon as well I give you for mathematics of higher level mathematics. I also want to say you that the conceptual mathematics of the story form. So second month I also start that. I also remember that. So now watch that. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter accounts. Link of the description box. Also watch the link and click the link and watch that. So now that's coming. So watch this now. That's mean d to the power 4 minus 4 dq plus 4 16 d square. So therefore x square of d no, d1 that's mean 2x of derivative 2 that's derivative 0. So 0 of x square that's mean that's equals to 0 here and minus 8 dq of x square. So minus of 8 and here also watch this. So x square that's means 0 and this 16 times of x square that's mean 2. So 32 it's coming also. I know that the 32. So right here the 32 by 16 and minus of this. So watching that d square minus 4d by 4 to the power 3. So 4 to the power 3 means 4 times of 4 times of 4 that means 64. That's it. And now that's mean d square whole cube minus 3d square times of 4d. So it that's mean square the plus of 3d square times of 4d square minus 4d cube. It's the method of polynomial things. So now watch that. The binomial theorem is also a plus b whole to the power n. That's mean it's coming from that. So now watching that that's mean 0 that's coming. So it's 0 and plus of 0. That's it. So now watch that. Please working on your home. That's it. So now d square minus 2d times of 2 plus 2 square that's mean 2 d minus 2 whole square. So I also write it and this of 1 by d minus 2 my whole to the power minus 2. So I also write again or d minus 2 whole to the power minus 2 and I also say this method of and also this method. So now d square of sin ax equals to minus a square times of sin ax. It's the conceptual only, it's not mathematics. So it's also mathematics concepts. So now d to the power 4 of sin ax that's equals to a square minus of a square whole of square sin ax and also a square cos ax that's mean minus of a square cos ax. Now concept of that's concept examples are now 1 by d square plus 4 of sin 2x that's equals to 1 by 4 minus 4 of sin 2x that's equals to 1 by 0 sin 2x. But it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. Also I say you one thing that if plus then work on this. Let this the two methods is working with two methods. Okay, now the first method is let q equals to 1 by d square plus 4 of sin 2x and p equals to 1 by d square plus 4 cos 2x. That's it. So I also write it the p plus iq that's equals to 1 by d square plus 4 times of cos 2x that's also 2x plus I to have sin 2x. It's also a concept of this. So 1 by d square plus 4 of e to the power 2ix, that's it. We also know that the this, so now 1 by d square plus 4 of a to the power ax, therefore that's coming. So from that question also write there. So now 1 by d plus 2 iota and d minus 2 iota. I also watched that the a square plus b square, that's mean, therefore 2 iota plus 2 iota and this also 2 iota minus 2 iota, that's equals to 0, therefore it's not working. So therefore d plus 2 iota and minus 2 iota of e to the power 2ix, that's mean this. So now also watch that this means 2, that's mean 1 by 4 iota of d of e to the power 2ix. Now watch that. So therefore e to the power 2ix is coming the left side, so e to the power 2ix as well its work on this mathematics. So now e to the power 2ix of 1 by 4 iota of d of 1, also write the 1 and not dot any in front the 1. So therefore e to the power 2 iota of 1 by 4 I of x as well this derivative of, sorry, integration of 1, that's mean x, and now p of iq equals to this. So given that the q also from this question, so now sorry, according to the question, so this coming x by 4I times of I by I, that's mean x by minus 4, that's mean minus x by 4 of I, therefore this I and this I cancel out, therefore this coming the minus 1 by, sorry, x minus x by 4, that is, and now sin 2x is coming cos 2x. So that's the answer as well. I think it's very hard, but it's very interesting also. If you're anything on putting d, therefore 0, then not putting d, okay, that's putting d minus e to the power something or sin to the power 2x, if 2, therefore right here. So now cos is the real part and sin is the imaginary part. We know that from a concept also on this mathematics, so that's name is, sorry, that's concept is also I can write here the complex number says that, and this the second method and the previous method is the first method. So now the second method is coming, so write also the imaginary, so now the imaginary part of 1 by d square plus 4 of e to the power 2ix, and again working as like previous method. So now the example second, sorry, the second example is 1 by d square minus 4 of sin 2x, that's equals to 1 by minus 2 square minus 4, that's mean 1 by minus 4 minus 4, that's mean minus 1 by 8. So here not coming 1 by 0, therefore it's working. So now 1 by minus 4 and minus 4, therefore minus 1 by 8 of sin 2x. Now the second example is, it's the very important example. So now 1 by d square minus 1 of sin square x. So now at first set the sin square x on trigonometric equation. So now we know that the cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x, and cos 2x equals to also 2 cos square x minus 1, and also cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x is the 3 condition of that. So now sin square x here also coming, therefore 2 sin square x equals to 1, it's not 1 also, sin 2, sorry, cos 2x minus 1. I also some mistake here on this equation, and sorry, and also the equation here the minus as well, here the minus, so it's complete. So now 2 sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x, this is, therefore sin square x equals to 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2x, that's it. So here write also that, so 1 by d square minus 1 of half of 1 minus cos 2x, that's mean 1 by 2 times of 1 by d square minus 1 of 1 and minus of 1 by 2 times of 1 by d square minus 1 cos 2x, that's it. So therefore it's coming 1 by 2 times of 1 by minus 1 times of 1 minus d square 1 and minus 1 by 2 times of there. So minus 2 square minus 1 cos 2x, therefore it's coming minus 1 by 2 of 1 minus d square whole to the power inverse of 1 times minus 1 by 2 times of 1 by minus 5 of cos 2x, that's coming, and it's also 1 minus d square whole inverse, that's equals to 1 plus d square 1 plus d square whole square plus dot dot dot. So 1 equals to 1. You also watch that. So now minus 1 by 2 is coming, and minus, here the minus and minus is becoming plus, and 2 times of 5, that's mean 1 by 10 cos 2x, as well the 2 times of 5, that's mean 10, and here also 1 by 2 times of 1 by 5, that's mean 1 by 10. Therefore, so the answer is minus half plus 1 by 10 cos 2x, and that's very easy question. So now I take a bigger question now. The d square plus ad whole of y equals to sin a x. Now the given equation is, also I also write here that, so please watch the previous video. This concept is from and becoming that. So ae equals to m square minus m equals to 0, so m times of m minus a equals to 0, so m equals to 0 and 1. And now CF, the complementary function is C1 e to the power 0x plus C2 e to the power x, that's equals to, that means 1, so C1 plus C2 e to the power x, it's coming. The complementary function is, so now the particular equation is coming 1 by d square minus a d of sin ax. So now that's it. So therefore that's mean is coming d square plus ad of d to the 4 minus square d square of sin ax, that's it, as well the coordination formula. So therefore it's coming. And now what's that? So d to the 4 minus square d square of 1, this sin ax is coming the front of this, so a square times of sin ax and sin x of d, that's mean a times of cos ax, and also again derivative, so therefore a square sin ax, and here also cos, so therefore minus coming, so and also this, therefore this is the answer. So plus a square cos ax times of 1, and now therefore the lower part, that's mean the denominator is also d square times of d square minus a, that's mean a to the power 4 also coming here. So a square minus, sorry, that's not a square, as a mistake something. So therefore minus sin ax plus cos ax here, and the denominator is a square, and times of 1 by 2, that's mean 2, and so times of 1, and also this not, therefore it's coming a square, therefore it's, so okay, you know that, and also I think you understand that, and this is the answer. Pi equals to this, so minus half of a square, the denominator is, and the numerator is sin ax minus plus cos ax, that's it. So therefore plus c1 plus c2 e to the power ax, it's coming the general theorem. This the GS, and the general solution is. So now the second question is question number 2. It's d square minus d plus 1 of times of y equals to 2 cos 3x. That's mean now what's that? The AE equals to m square minus m plus 1 equals to 0. That's mean m equals to coming that the 1 plus minus root 3i of 2. That's it. So now m equals to 1 by 2 times of minus plus minus root 3i by 2. That's it. So we also write the given equation is CF equals to, so therefore e to the power half x by 2 of cos root 3 by 2 of c1 plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x, that's 8. where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. You also write that. Now pi equals to 1 by d square minus d plus 1 times of 2 sin 3x. That's equals to 2 is coming here as the constant term. Now 1 by d square minus d plus 1 of sin 3x. That's mean minus 3x plus d plus 1 sin 3x. This means 2 times of 1 by minus 9 plus 1, that's coming the minus common, so d plus 8 times of sin 3x. Therefore it's the continuation formula again. So minus 2 times of d minus 8 by d square minus 64 sin 3x, and also therefore it's coming the d minus 8 times of minus 3 square minus 64 of sin 3x. That's mean 1 by 73 of this. Therefore d minus 8 times of sin 3x and also times of 2, that's equals to this the sin 3x also. So 1 by 63 times of 6 cos 3x minus 1 6 sin 3x, and this the pi. So now what's that? The gs, that's mean the general solution is, that's mean I also write here the gs. So therefore 1 by 73 times of 6 times of cos 3x minus 16 sin 3x, and also plus of this CF method. So now e to the power I also forgot, e to the power x by 2 times of c1 cos root 3 by 2 x plus c2 sin e to the power root 3 by 2 x, and which is the answer, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. I also say on the previous video what's that, what is the arbitrary constant and what's mean that. So it's very interesting and easy question. So watch that and watch another video of the third part, and also I post the previous video. Also like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel as I working for you on this the higher mathematics. Thank you, bye, have a good day, good night, goodbye, tata, have a good day. And
रस्ती है निगाहें मेरी तकती है राहें तेरी बाहें का नाम तेरी, ये कैसे मैं बताऊं तुझे सोती नहीं आंखें मेरी।